Hello all. In this video we will see how to add timeline filter into the pivot tables. So we have this pivot table which is being created from our sample data table, and this is the pivot chart which is associated with this pivot table. So we'll select the pivot table first, then we'll go on the ribbon, analyze, then you can see a insert timeline. So I click on that and it will ask me the. So as of now in this table we have only one column which is in a date format, that is month. So I'll select that and we'll click on OK. And in case if you don't have any date column in your data table, then this particular filter won't appear. And now you can see it has shown me a kind of a visual look of the whole month. If I select any of the month again here, so again it will get filter on both pivot chart and pivot table. And if I can also use this cursor and expand the range of month if I want to see the trend, and I can also and to unfilter, I just do this unfilter. Clicking on this, there are some options here. We can also use different color styles of this timeline, and also we can adjust the height by using this, or directly by using here we can drag and drop kind of this thing we can use. And if we want to also show, there is an option, if we don't want the month, so we can do that as well. We don't want the scroll bar, so we can remove time level, selection label. So again, these are the some features that can be then that can come handy when you are using the timeline tools, or when you insert it into our pivot tables and pivot chart. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching it.